uCertify offers Microsoft Excel 2019 certification prep for IT professionals. So start your prep for the Microsoft Excel 2019 certification exam today with uCertify. To be a Microsoft Excel 2019 certified professional, you will have to pass the MO-200 exam. It covers the creation and editing of a workbook with multiple sheets and using a graphic element to represent data visually. The workbook includes professional-looking budgets, team performance charts, sales invoices, financial statements, and data entry logs. In this uCertify course, you will receive 28 pre-assessment questions that will help you identify areas for improvement before you begin the course. It consists of 24 interactive lessons and learning resources with 130 flashcards, 234 quizzes, and 210 glossary terms. uCertify comes complete with 56 hands-on labs to give students a real exam experience in an online environment. The lab consists of 3D Sim and Smart Chat, Coding Lab, Live Lab, Object Lab, and Software Sim that simulate real-world hardware, software, and command line interface environments that allow students to perform activities in real or simulated environments. In this course, you will receive 28 post-assessment questions that will gauge your understanding and readiness in the course. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive a certificate of course completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you will be able to understand how to manage worksheets and workbooks, manage data cells and ranges, manage tables and table data, perform operations by using formulas and functions, and manage charts. Our course is also available on the uCertify mobile app. You can start the course with the web app and end with the mobile app, or vice versa. Students and educators can move from device to browser and get back seamlessly without losing any performance or activity data. You can download our mobile app from the Google Play Store and iOS App Store. This will allow you to access the course anytime, anywhere, and on any device. To explore more about uCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exams/Microsoft/MO-200. You can call us at 1-415-763-6300 or reach us by email at sales@ucertify.com.